Hola a todos! This video is really for my good friend Phil. Surprise, bet you weren't expecting this. And it's also because a lot of you people have asked me to make videos in English in the past before, to like hear me talking in English, I guess. So this is it. Anyway, I'm gonna be showing you how I turned this t-shirt into this banger right here. And Phil, I really hope you like it. I made it with all my love. I'm sorry it took me so long to ship it out, but there it is, and I really hope you enjoy it and wear it and like it and everything. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make more videos like this, more tutorials of like how I customize clothing and stuff. Next time I will do it in Spanish, although I am going to be subtitling this video and I'm gonna hate myself for it because it's not gonna be easy and it's gonna take me a long time. But anyway, Phil, this is for you and I really hope you enjoy your shirt and your little bonus stuff. And let's get to the fucking tutorial thingy, shall we? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is the tie-dye bleach situation. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna scrunch up the shirt in like an accordion or like a fan shape, and I'm gonna hold it in place with like rubber hair ties. And what I did is I put some water in a bucket and I put just some bleach in it. La coca. A ver si la voy a cagar, no, me da miedo cagarla. Venga, ya, me la juego. No sé cuánto tiempo deja. Bueno, supongo que iré viendo el color, ¿no? A ver si voy a desintegrar el cubo. Que el cubo este está en plan ya en las últimas. Sí. Y que vaya absorbiendo para arriba. Creo que ya lo veo haciéndose marrón. Qué fuerte. En plan, que puedo ver el tinte en el agua, tío. Buah, porque creo que voy a tener que estar aquí vigilando, porque no quiero que se me pase. Pero se ve, Se ve ya cómo se está quitando el color, qué rápido, no sabía que esto era tan rápido. Bueno, sí, yo creo que lo voy a sacar ya, tomar por culo. ¿Cuánto ha pasado? Estoy hablando conmigo misma. 15 minutos y 20 segundos. So that's the finished result of the bleach once it's rinsed out. I might have wanted to like leave it on for a bit longer, but I didn't want to risk it. I didn't want the shirt to disintegrate, so yeah, anyway. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew in some stitches, and I'm gonna make sure to do that out of frame for the whole time. But yeah, you can see the result there. I'm just gonna stitch a few stitches, like mock stitches around the B and the A of the sign. And I'm just gonna like properly like make sure to do this like all out of frame like all the time, yeah. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting off the sleeves because I know how Phil likes his shirts with the sleeves cut off, and it's a bit hard to do with these scissors, but it's especially hard to do because the shirt's still a bit like damp. But yeah. So now I'm taking fabric paint and I'm painting the word hell in red, which is a bit hard because I'm painting it over the like the cotton part of the shirt, so it's like absorbing all the paint. So I'm doing a few layers of that. So now it's like a few days later or the next day, and those layers have dried, so I'm doing some more layers like I said. And I'm also gonna start writing out Ciobano Cadabru, which is a phrase that like Phil's friend told me that he would like written on his shirt. I don't know what it means, it's Romanian, but like, I don't know. They'll know. And I'm also gonna have to do a few layers of this as well. So now I'm taking a razor blade, and I saw this DIY online, and what I'm doing is I'm like razoring some like holes and some like distress onto the shirt so it looks like worn and torn. Now I'm taking a Sharpie, and I'm sorry I keep like changing locations, but I'm just drawing like a barbed wire armband around the arm of the t-shirt, like the picture.
So now again, it's a different day and I'm taking a lot of safety pins, a lot of different sizes, and here's my cat trying to get in the way. And I'm just gonna put them all across the T, like going up and across in the shape of it. And when I'm done adding the smaller safety pins, I'm just gonna add a big one straight across and straight up. I also, when I cut the sleeves, I also cut a few holes around the neckline and around like the bottom seam of the shirt, so I'm just gonna add a few safety pins around there as well and just randomly around the shirt. And I also decided to do something in the back, so I also filled out these letters with a bit of red paint, and since it was already like the vinyl like white part, it was easier, so I didn't have to do like more layers of that. So now here I'm just writing a letter for Phil, so yeah, let's just skip that forward. And here I'm trying to do a lip print, but it was kind of a bad idea that I chose that lipstick because it dries so fast, so I couldn't get a perfect print like I would have wanted, but it doesn't matter. And here's my cat just being an alien.
Alright guys, I know it probably looks like it's a little bit slanted this way, the top is a little bit funky. I'm sure I can make an adjustment to make the whole thing better.
Now I'm just gonna seal the letter with my wax seal, which I love.
So anyway, Phil, friends, everyone, I hope you liked me customizing this shirt. My cat's fucking being annoying. Utis. Let me introduce you to my cat, Phil. This is Utis. He is a bit playful right now. Doesn't want to be in the video, but that's him. Anyway, yeah, I hope you liked the shirt and I hope you liked the video and everything, and I miss you a lot and I hope I get to see you sometime soon, and I hope you're doing better and all that stuff. And to the rest of you guys, I'll see you in my next video.